Good morning, YouTube. So we're finishing the Honda Accord that we were wrapping in the last clip, or not wrapping, but the Accord that we were doing in the last clip, or whatever. Right outside, but it's a nice day to work on cars. We're molding the HFP to the bumper, and how that looks like, if you look over here on my car, I'll pop up a picture right here of how the HFP is supposed to look and how mine looks. So it's kind of hard to tell because it's black on black, but you see that there's nothing here compared to how this picture looks here, right? And then side skirts, we'll go over an in-depth video, but just know that I molded my HFP side skirts, rear bumper, and front bumper. The rear bumper is a little bit easier to see, or not. That line right here, that's where the body kit is, but it's molded, so you can't even tell that it's on there. So that's what we're doing to this Accord. This is the HFP2. HFP1 will be on the screen so you guys can tell the difference. HFP2, if you don't get an OEM one, not from Honda, you're gonna have gaps, and that's how you fix the gaps. So once you do put this here, you will have a gap right there, and this is how you get rid of it. Beautiful. So this is how you mold it. Te estoy enseñando el before, el antes.
Y el después, ¿verdad?
Sí. And that's how you do the after. No gaps.
No.
Igualito. Qué lindo eso. Alright guys, so in this video you're gonna learn how to add the HFP2 to the front bumper of a Honda Accord, as well as how to mold it so that it doesn't have any gaps. All you need to install the HFP2 kit is a drill. Get you some drill bits and just a plastic clips. So 3 things: plastic clips, drill bits, and a drill. That's all you'll need. And then you're gonna go ahead and drill 3 holes, 1, 2, 3 here, and then 3 on this side here.
Sí.
Para enseñarle lo hoyo.
Sí, sí.
These 3 holes right here, 1, 2, and 3. So the reason we had to bondo like this is because if you look here now, put 1 here, 1 here, 1 there, just drill the holes, use the plastic clips and put them right in, and you have 3, 1, 2, and 3 on this side, right there. No matter how good you do it, there's always gonna be a gap right here, and a bigger gap here. So you see this. It might not seem like much, but the gap gets bigger, and depending on the paint that you have, it's gonna be even more noticeable. So although it's on there pretty good with just the drill and the plastic clips, we're gonna mold it so it looks perfect, and that's what you've seen being done on this side. Man, molded. Feels like it just came out the shop just like that. So that's why we're molding the HFP2 kit, and that's how you would do it. Get it on there and then bondo and sand.
Maintain it, safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the
The wrap came in, so we're gonna do the roof right now. Let's get a quick walk around.
I honestly don't know what I was thinking right here. It was extremely, extremely hot, and the sun was beating right over my head. So this wrap was literally feeling like noodles. It was way too hot, and although the finished product ended up looking really good, there was a big part that I messed up, so just a terrible idea. I don't even know what I was thinking. So I ended up just scrapping it. The customer is gonna just end up doing a different wrap after the car is done being painted.
So we're all done now. Body work is done. Good morning, YouTube. So, hit my head right there. Good morning, guys. It's currently 9:30 something, 9:50. So that means if everything is supposed to go perfectly, I have like 10-15 minutes to do this. Like, real quick, this is what I gotta do, and then I gotta head down to fix my brother's car. This is the day in the life of a mechanic, just so that you guys know the type of things that I be getting myself into. But just real quick, this is what we gotta do. The camera was wet. There's like some little line around here. I gotta find it. Oh, right there. I just gotta sand that down. Actually, it might be fine with just the tape that he put on here. We'll see. So yeah, I gotta fix this windshield thing, and then sand down the back. I got the headlights put on yesterday. They look great. They work great. So yeah, let's get that done. Let's get this done here. We got another client that's waiting for his parts. So he's waiting for his parts to come in, then he's gonna come to the shop, and I'm gonna do his brakes. And 1 second.
So yeah, this last clip is me giving the car back to the customer, showing him what I did, showing him the headlights, how they work, the body work that we did, and molding the front HFP 2 kit. Thanks so much for watching, guys. There's a bunch of more videos in the channel that you can watch right now. We're going to be dropping every single week. Well, a video every week. The next video is already done. The video after that's already done. Go ahead and leave a like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I really appreciate it.